It is just the beginning. You carry forward the unique distinguished faculty, proud parents, dignitaries on the dais, and not to forget the stars of today's function, my dear young to-be graduates. It's a matter of congratulations to all the graduates. I'm sure it felt very special. Something that's really special, I think, for you guys is the college itself. But I think your learning continues on and on. As long as you are conscious of that, right? Remember.
What was your most memorable moment in the college?
The placement sessions were very memorable in the last days, and we had a flash mob in the last days actually.
When we are attending to the events, so that is the most memorable event for me, and enjoying with the friends is the most memorable thing in life.
I would say every day it's memorable with students. 9 of our students and their research has been published in an international peer-reviewed journal.
Actually, I was the student brand ambassador of the college, which has given me such a good position, confidence that I'm standing here today. So that is one of the most memorable event that I would cherish lifelong in my life. Is apart from the studies, we used to enjoy as well, and in the canteen will be always special for us.
Not one memorable moment, but a series actually. Conducting the first edition of TEDx E-Themes was possibly the most challenging.
I think I made a lot of friends in my college, and I'm really happy about that, and connecting with my faculty, making a lot of new friends and enjoying our events in college. So that was most whole 3 years of my experience was the best.
When we started our own TEDx E-Themes Business School, because that makes a very good opportunity for our students to really go out and tell the rest of the world their stories.
These people, they did one event, Cybercracks. That was the first time when I got a stage kind of thing, and I explored myself.
Ma'am, how are you feeling when you see your students pass out today?
Definitely it is overwhelming. Okay, and I could see the spark in the eyes of the parents. That was heart-touching actually. It feels like a mother when she sees her infant or her toddler walking for the first time. Teacher is a mother, a teacher is a parent. Every day, each time, each year, students pass out, but then we pass out every year.
It's a great feeling of joy, warmth. It's just last year I went to attend my son's convocation. So now I feel I really understand how the parents must be feeling.
Coming to me, I started my journey with 2021 batch, so that's very personal to me.
I feel very proud to see, especially this batch of 2022 and 21. They were really very good students, and it gives me immense pleasure. I wish them all the best.
Watching them from day one till today has been truly rewarding. So this moment has been really proud for me.
Well, today it's a mixed feeling. On one side, I am happy that my students graduated. On the other side, I'm feeling a little emotional and overwhelmed.
It was the most amazing experience that I relived my graduation. I felt like that. Students coming back to us and telling us that ma'am, it's because of you, we are like this and that. So their testimonies mean a lot to us.
Give a message to your seniors.
To my seniors, well, they are more than just seniors. They have been a part of my family, more or less. They have been role models, and I think I have had the most fun times with them. We basically had this 2 years with them, but it was really fun. And we still think that sometimes in college, whenever we have any problem, we think, "Arey bro, let's go to seniors, they'll solve it with us." And then we remember that they have already left college.
First thing, that they are inspiring. Let's be frank. Even though we had so much bunks, we had so many mischievous things that we did, but when it came down to work, they worked hard.
So it's gotten kind of boring without them, but yeah, we also get less scoldings now because of it, because they're not there anymore. But yeah, we miss them a lot. We miss you all a lot, way too much. And we still hope that you were there in college. Even after we leave, we'll hope that you'll always be our seniors. Wish them a very good life and hope they'll be successful in whatever they do.
Thank you to my seniors for making our 2 years unexpected. I didn't imagine ETHEM's life to be something like this.
Thank you so much, my seniors, my precious seniors, that you made my 3 years of this journey, like ये 2 साल का journey very good. Thank you so much.